Enum types. The enum keyword was introduced in Java 5. Enum is a special type, so it's a list of predefined constants. The main purpose of enum is to define our own data types. Now, generally, the field names of the enum type are in uppercase letters, as they are always constants. So the enum keyword is used to create an enum type. So in our example, we define the color enum type, and the color has some constant values, such as yellow, green, blue, orange, and black. The test code color call equals color.blue assigns a value to the variable color of the enum type color. The variable call can take any of the 5 defined values, but in this case, it's set to blue. So the Java enum type has some very useful key points. Let me bring your attention to some of them, and we'll have a look at them right here. So first up, we can define a constructor in Java enum. Enum constants are implicitly static and final. Enum can be used in switch case like string, int data types. Equality operator and equals methods are used to compare enum constants. So we cannot create an instance of enum by using the new operator. So why don't I show you some examples with the enum type so that we can understand it better. So in this example, we will write a program that displays some colors in enum by getting input from the user. So in the exercise project, just right-click on the source folder and select New Enum. Specify the package name as Enum Type and enum name as color. In the enum color, we'll define 3 constant colors, red, yellow, and green in uppercase letters, and save the code. So let's create a main test class. Right-click on the enum type package and select New Class. Specify the class name as color test, and then select the checkbox to add the main method. So now we need to take inputs from the user by using the scanner class. And we'll choose Import Scanner Class in the java.util package to import the scanner class. Okay, so we show a message to enter a color by using the print method. So why don't we declare a variable input color with the string type and assign the next method of the scanner class to this variable. Now we'll create the enum instance that's named color and assign the value of method of enum color to this variable. So now we need to use the value of method to convert the string to the enum type. The value of method takes a parameter that's named input color. And we can change the input color text to uppercase letters by using the toUppercase method. And now we can use the switch case statement in this part. The conditional switch expression is the instance of enum color. The first case value is red, and we display the you entered red in the print method, and we add the break keyword. So the second case value is yellow, and we can display you entered yellow in the print method. And of course, we'll add the break keyword again. The third case value is green, so we display the you entered green in the print method. And of course, we add the break keyword again. Okay, so let's run this code. So we enter red in lowercase letters, and it's automatically converted to uppercase letters. And look at that. The you entered red message is displayed. Now, if we don't use the toUpperCase method, we will get an exception because we defined the enum constants as uppercase letters. All right, so let's run the code again. And let's enter green this time in uppercase letters. The you entered green message is displayed. Okay, so let's run the code again. And let's enter Java. Uh-oh, there it is. We got the exception. And the exception name is illegal argument exception. So the exception message is no enum type constant in enum color, because Java is obviously not defined in our enum class. We defined only 3 enum constants, red, yellow, and green, of course. So, how do you want to handle this exception? By using a try-catch block, you say? Good idea. So in a catch block, we will write illegal argument exception with the object E, and then we display, please enter enum constant type red, yellow, green in the print method. So let's run that code again. And let's enter Java in lowercase letters for color. There we go. The catch block handles the exception, and our message is displayed in the console. Okay, so let's run the code again, and this time let's enter Java all in uppercase letters. Look at that. Our message is also displayed. Proper. So this is good. Then in this program, if we enter except red, yellow, and green values, because that's what we defined, then the illegal argument exception is thrown.